Patchwork of breeze blocks is a unique and creative installation art trend, especially implemented by Viettiles Company's customers in their projects. With breeze blocks harmoniously and meticulously combined, creating unique patterns and images, the product is not only highly aesthetic but also demonstrates unlimited creativity in space design. The image of patchwork of breeze blocks shows the combination of color blocks, shapes and traditional cultural elements. Each blocks, though small, when combined creates a work of art with a strong personal mark and unique style. These patterns can be applied to many different spaces such as cafes, restaurants, resorts or modern architectural works, bringing novelty and attraction to the space. Viettiles, with the mission of bringing high artistic value to breeze block products, always innovates and is creative in each design. The use of patchwork ventilation bricks not only makes the space lively and sophisticated, but also creates outstanding highlights, showing sophistication and difference in architecture. This is a clear demonstration of the ability to combine tradition and modernity in today's construction works.